All right, so we just did a little bit of testing for the Hollyland Lark M2S. I believe that is actually how you say the full name. And I guess this is my first impressions as well as like how I would set it up. I downloaded the app and checked out the differences between the volume levels 2 and 3, and I brought it into Adobe Audition here to take a closer look, to see the levels and everything. So basically, I started off with this recording right here, which was basically the video I uploaded previously. And I noticed something interesting. While this video was on level 3, for some reason, you can see here that there's clearly a limiter where -6 decibels is, meaning whatever is happening in the software, it's cutting off anything that goes above -6. It's very obvious. So I don't know why it's doing that, because that implies that there's way more information above that should be there that isn't, and usually that's not good. That means we're probably doing something wrong, so we changed some stuff up, and we discovered that we can clip. We just have to set up the settings in the app correctly. So we turned off, there's like phone speaker or something like that in the settings. I'll show it as like as something on the screen. And when you turn it off, that's when you're allowed to clip. I don't know if it's a glitch or something, but I don't think that's what they intended, but this is what's happening as of this moment, as of this recording. So I turned off the phone speaker thing, and you no longer have that limiter. Like, none of this is edited. This is all just brought in. So now you can see that I'm going above 0 decibels, meaning I'm clipping. And this is me setting it to level 2 instead. So level 2 actually seems pretty decent. Like, trying to make sure we are not clipping. We are on level 2 right now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it sounded pretty dead there, but this is level 2 and it sounds pretty good. Like, considering it goes all the way up to around -3 decibels, that's like pretty close to clipping. So if I were to like increase my volume, then I would clip. So level 2 sounds like a pretty good spot to be in. And basically I was just doing more experiments with like, okay, if I close the app, like, do I have to have the app on for it to be the correct level? So I closed it, and then I reinserted the USB thing for the connection to the microphone, and everything's still good, like, as you can see. But it's not always consistent in terms of the glitch with the phone speaker thing, because sometimes I can clip if I have the phone speaker thing on, but sometimes I cannot. It's like, it's kind of random. I'm pretty sure I could figure it out if I did it more. I only fiddled with it for like 5 minutes, but basically having it off seems safer, and then going around level 2 seems to be the most optimal. So that's what I'm doing at the current moment, and hopefully, it isn't too soft, because I guess when I talk softly, it can get a little low, but I think for the most part, it should be fine. It's like, it's definitely better than, the Rode Wireless Pro on my iPhone. If you watch my previous video about fixing my audio issues, then I basically described the issue there. It just is super, super low volume. Okay, that's about it for this one. Hopefully you can find some of this information useful if you are like considering getting the Hollyland Lark MS2, because yeah, I don't really edit these videos, so I want the audio levels to be decent, like, right away. So it seems to do the job quite well. So my first impressions is that it's pretty solid, and the audio quality is, I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not like, obviously it's not like a condenser mic for voiceovers, but it does well enough for video, or the videos that I want to do with it. Okay, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next one.